How to create pop-up discount on Shopify. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you step by step how to make a discount pop up when someone visits a certain page or does a certain action on your Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do once on your admin page, you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, and from here you're going to select apps and sales channel. After selecting apps and sales channel, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and in the search bar I want you to type in pop-up discount. After selecting pop-up discount, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous apps that you can use to set up a pop-up discount. But the one that I would recommend is you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to select e-com send pop-ups and you're going to tap on this one. Once you have selected e-com send pop-up, you're going to tap on add app. And after you have selected add app, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll tap on install app to complete the installation. So you're going to tap on install app. And after selecting install app, we're going to be redirected to the main dashboard of the new app that we have installed, as you can see right here. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option create pop-up. We're going to tap on that. After selecting create pop-up, we're going to tap on create pop-up. Then from here you can see the different pop-up templates that you can choose from. So you can select whether you want the spin to win template or the get 10% off template. Once you have selected the template that you want, you are going to tap on create pop-up in the bottom right hand corner. Then after you have done that, you can see right here you can choose the pop-up name, so you can change the name to anything you want. Then we are going to scroll down and you will see discount code, and then from here you can select the percentage that you would like to give off, or if it is a fixed amount you could select fixed amount, or let's say for example you want to offer free shipping, you could select free shipping. So you have three options. If it is percent off, you can select the percent that you would like to give off right here. So let's say I want to give 15% off, and then you can also set an expiration on the discount. So you could tap right there and you could select how many days the discount will last for. So let's say the discount will be available for 3 days. Then after doing that, you could scroll down and you can also select whether you would like to enter Shopify discount manually. You could tap on that. So I won't tap on that at the moment. I'll leave it as is. So I'll say no. Then I'll scroll back up. After scrolling back up, let me tap on discount code right here. So scroll down and we'll select discount code. After you have done that, you will see the option sticky discount bar. You can select whether you would like that to show or not. So I'll select don't show, as all I'll need is the pop-up. You can also add it in the sidebar widget if you want. So you could select if you want it to show right there. Then you can also select the devices that you would like the pop-up to be available on. Whether you want it to be all devices, only desktop, or only mobile, you can select either one. But at the moment, I will leave it at all devices. So whether a customer should visit using a desktop or mobile device, they will still see the pop-up. And then from here, you will see show on a timer. So this shows when, this is where you will arrange when you would like the pop-up to appear, whether you would like it to appear after 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, or immediately. You can select any one of these options. I will leave it at immediately, or you could select show after scrolling or show when someone is trying to exit the page. You could select any one of those options, and you can also see frequency. So you can select whether you would like it to show every time anyone visits or you would like to set a limit. And you can also scroll down, and from here you can choose to show on any page, or if you would like it to show on a specific page. Let's say you want it to show only on a certain product page, you could do that. And you can also choose which country you would like it to show in, whether you want it to show in any country or you want it to show only in certain countries. So let's say, for example, I only want it to show in the United States. I could type in United States, then I'll select that. And after you have done that, you can see right there, so it will only show in the United States, as you can see there. And then from there you can scroll down and you can select even more options. So I'll scroll down and you can see schedule rules, show for all time or show between time period. You can also do that. So what I'll do, since I've shown you that, I'll tap back on show in any country. Then from here you can see how it will look at the moment. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to simply scroll up. Then you will see the option publish your pop-up. You're going to tap on that. And you can also choose the style. So I could tap on the style right there. If you would like to add an image, you can do that. And you can also enlarge in the logo, as you can see right there. And you can see the display size, whether you would like it to be standard, small, or you would like it to be large. You can select any one of these options. And you can also select the alignment, whether it be center, left, or right. You can select any one of these alignment, as you can see right there. I'll leave it in the center. And you can also change the layout, as you can see right there. And you'll be able to add an image. And also, if you would like to change the pop-up background, you can do that by right where you see pop-up. You can change the color by simply tapping on the color box. So you can select any color you would like to change it to, as you can see right there, whichever color better matches your theme. And you can also change the color of the text if you would want. Once you're finished editing the pop-up, what I want you to do now is select back in the top left hand corner. After you have selected back, this is the main dashboard, and from here you will see app embed is not enabled. You are going to tap on enable embed and it will redirect us to this page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see right there, it has now been enabled. Once it loads up, you can see and you'll simply toggle it on. Then after you have done that, you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. And after you have saved it, if we were to go back now by tapping on exit in the top left hand corner. And let's see, we visit our store, so we'll tap on view your store. And once we're on our store page, you should see the pop-up, as you can see right there. And that is it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.